like Among Us or something. There's a wolf, but people don't know who the werewolf is. And there's people, and there's a bunch of people. And one person is just like disguised as a human as a wolf, or they can turn into a human. They fake being a human, and they have to destroy and kill everybody before they find out who it is. And because there's also a sheriff, which has a weapon. And if the sheriff goes the wolf, they win. But the sheriff doesn't know who it is unless they transform. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna play a couple of rounds for y'all, and let's just have some fun today. I am innocent. I want to get at least one wolf or hunter for y'all today. Basically, there's gonna be a wolf chasing me or stuff. Or someone is just gonna be the wolf, but I don't know who it is. I can tell people in the chat, I think, and tell people, oh my goodness, I know who it is because I watched them kill somebody. Oakley's chasing me. Oh, these people. It doesn't show real usernames. I don't know why it just doesn't. People are screaming. I don't think it's Oakley, and I don't think it's Rufus for some reason. They're just moving around. I don't think it's that witch person either. I heard the wolf roar. Oh, hey, Oakley. Little innocent boy. So basically, if the wolf kills people, then their time as the still being alive stays longer. I heard the roar. It's not that guy now. I see the wolf. He's over there. He's got the basket. He's trying to come up. We got him. Oh, we didn't kill him. He didn't succeed because he didn't kill anybody. Was there no hunter? Oh no, the hunter he killed 2 people. Or they just left. This game's also kind of a horror-ish game, so it's not best for the faint of heart. And the manor's a pretty good spot. I'm gonna hope for that. You have to spend money to vote, apparently. So if people try voting for the one I don't want, I just spend more and more, and we can keep betting money. People are so annoying sometimes, like you spend all your money and then they flex and they spend all their money just to beat you. Manor's definitely the best map because it's like the main map of the whole game. Innocent again. I will get hunter or wolf for y'all. Oh, I can see the guy up here. Oakley is the wolf. I'm running for my life. If I'm the hunter, the best thing to do is wait right here, wait for the wolf to come in, and then shoot him. this is kind of creepy. In my next video, I know guys, I've been saying I'm gonna play Fortnite or something in the comments, or Rainbow Friends or Fortnite, or the random comment won and I chose Fortnite. They tied, but I still don't know how to record Fortnite without being on a PC. So I'm still learning, so I'm gonna put a bunch of videos in between. Sorry guys. So I might do like a Rainbow Friends, or I'm doing a Wolf or Up. This game's called a Wolf or Other if you've never played it. It's really fun. Wolf's getting a lot of people. He came right in. Oh, I'm too good. Wolf bad. Wolf is bad. Sorry, this wolf is actually kind of bad, yo. Okay, I'm actually like too good for this wolf. Bro, how bad is this wolf? He's gonna kill me. He has extra jump. He has extra speed. But like, just see how bad that was, though. Like, come on, that wolf was kind of trash. The wolf's supposed to have a big speed bonus, and that thing lost to me. Wolf win. At least the wolf finally tried killing somebody. It's a really fun game, but it's also like some of the other games I've played. It's not that famous anymore. It's not big. No, I don't need a wolf. I need to escape this stupid manor, so I don't die. Do I hear death in the manor? I hear death in the manor. Oh, I remember this area. I think you can jump up here. It's like a really laggy trick. I think you could like jump up here like the wolf couldn't get me. That was a trick I used to be able to do. That's called a win. I am that goated. I jumped on the bow and got him, bro. That's an easy win. Nice, y'all. Do y'all see that win? I wasn't a real hunter. I was the savior. Save the world, bro. I'm just that good. The manor's like the original map. I hope we get the manor, because the manor's like the original best map. So many people learn here. It's actually a good mount. Dang it. Right on this again. I don't think Rufus is the wolf. I think I already heard the wolf. He's on the roof. He came out of nowhere. It was that stupid other kid. Ah! just shows how bad this kid is. He got him, but like that's way harder than it needs to be.
No!
There's a bunch of kids left. There's one. This kid's gonna be so cocky, he's probably gonna camp the bow. Why am I standing up? There's one kid left, it's coming for her. Of course, he has to roar every single time just to find the kids. And that stupid kid won again. I could have won that. That stupid kid wouldn't have died. And that stupid hunter, bro. Until I get sheriff or hunter. I mean hunter or wolf. I will actually. I was so close to wolf that time. My chances are getting bigger and bigger to be wolf. Is this at the manor? Hold up. That's kind of cool. I never noticed this building was. Must be a new update. If you hear a scream, that means somebody died. I'm gonna target me because they're such losers. They can't go kill anybody else. Whoa, the wolf's right here. Sorry, Wolf. You're actually kind of trash. Oh, nope. Sorry, Wolf. Be trash. Like, who cares? You're bad. You're bad. You suck. I know I'm gonna die because you can't outrun the wolf. It's just not possible in this game. He had to do a stupid little roar and it got him cocky. Yep. So I wolf. Nope. Let me jump off. Nope. You have to admit that wolf's trash. I die because you can't outrun the wolf. It's just not possible. But like, still though. Like, they take way longer than it has to be. This is getting really annoying, bro. Like, the wolf is bad, and they're not even finding people. How'd that kid get up there? That's kind of hard to do. Okay, for that kid, I show respect. That's Call of Duty style respect. Earn respect. Let's see the wolf try to kill him, honestly. Like, the wolf is gonna actually have trouble with that. The wolf's gonna be that bad. The wolf just sees that kid and knows he's gonna lose. Let's try not to be like... He thought could work. Like, jump on the rock. Is that kid actually? Okay, the wolf's actually kind of stupid. Is that wolf that stupid? The rock on the other side. Yes, the rock. Yeah. Show that wolf who's boss. Like, destroy that wolf. Destroy his reputation. You can't hide from the wolf. The wolf's bad, but he's still gonna kill you. You're going for the church. You're dead, kid. And that's a victory for Wolf again. There'll be a fourth Wolf victory if I'm Wolf. That stupid person really, Benedict really shot Nora, even though he didn't know it was the wolf. Like, what? These people aren't very smart. Okay. I'm not paying to win. I don't like either of these, and I need money. The manor's like the only good map. You have to agree, it's like the only good map. The other ones suck. I'll play one more if I don't get, after this. If I don't get wolf or hunter, I'm about to lose it. I'm gonna turn into a wolf anyway. If I don't get wolf. People are so scared to go anywhere. They're scared of the wolf. They're like, they just hide. Like what kind of scaredy cat, jelly bean people are these people? Like, they don't know what they're doing. They're so scared. This screaming is honestly kind of soothing. I might sound like a horrible person for saying that, but people's screams are very soothing. And then they play the goat one. I'm not the wolf. Don't you dare shoot me. If that stupid person shoots me, I'm gonna actually like quit. Let me jump on here. Can you not jump on here anymore? They broke the stupid game. They ruined this game for me. The game's not fun anymore. I'm hoping the hunter dies so I can steal their crossbow and just destroy the wolf. I'm with you. I'm on your team. Whoa. Come on, shoot him. Are you really that stupid? Nope. Get by him. I saw it! I pressed the button and aimed it right at him. I'm so mad at this game. I wish they'd let us spam the button. Nope. Final round. If I don't get wolf, I'm gonna destroy something. Like, you will hear something being destroyed in the background. There, like, fourth wolf win. We're gonna get a 5 if I get it. Come on, please. We could get an epic wolf imposter win at the end of the video. They didn't let me in the game, I'd also destroy the world. Come on, just pick me. Hunter, I'm happy with that. Wolf's still high though, so I'll play one more after this. It's that little sussy baka. Yeah! That's gonna win! Yes! I got him! That's an easy win. He was trying to run around, bro. That's an easy win. Okay, I'm gonna end it there just because that was so good. Let's go to 100 win. I'm gonna see y'all. Bye-bye.